everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I'm going to show you how I apply a full nail water slide decal. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to comment down below or to send me a message on my Instagram at MewMewManis. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye! Alright, so I am ready. I have my builder gel on, plus I have my base and gel top coat by Maniboss. And now we will start with our water slide applications. This is from Pampered Pretties. They come with their water slide application instructions, and I'm also going to be dipping into this gorgeous color, Blue Opal. I think it looks really good with these ones together. So we will get started on our mani. All right, so I'm gonna start with the decals. It's already sealed, so it doesn't get scratched. I love that. I absolutely love the petite pretties because it's not very expensive. I think it was like $2 for these four, and they're so well done. The colors are so nice. See that? Oh, sorry. It's so nicely done, and I mean, I love to do stamping, but this is just, the art is already there for you. It's easy. You just stamp it on. All right, so I say stamp it on because, sorry, because I use a jelly stamper to stamp on my water decals. For me, it's the best way. I can see where I'm putting it. Right now, I'm going to cut out one of the decals, and you're supposed to cut it as close as possible to the image, just so that you don't get too much of the clear that's around it. Okay, I like to do it like just like as close to my nail as possible. So I really want the blue in it, so I turn it around. I think this would be cute on this finger. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna put it. Right there, and the blue will be able to go all the way. I think that's good. All right, so I'm just gonna cut off top here, and let's get started. All right, there we go. And now I'm going to put this, some like the cheaper ones usually have like a plastic film on top. This one doesn't have, so you just put in the water, and then the white part in the back will just peel off by itself. All right, so just take a little bowl, and I'm gonna get my water. Okay. Today I'm going to be using my Maniboss 2-in-1 gel base and top coat to apply it. So first I'm gonna do this, so you have to just drop it into the water for about 10 to 20 seconds. You'll see that it'll be like completely soaked through, and then I'll be able to stamp it. Well, I'll take it out of the water and then I'm gonna stamp it. I will show you. Where is my tweezers? There they are. Here we go. Oops. I didn't clean them off last time. Alright, so you can see that it's soaked through, so I'm gonna take it out. And here we go. I'm gonna let it stay on my napkin for a little bit, just like that. And now I just take my, oops, you know what, I'm just going to move this so you can see. One second. Okay, can you see very well? Here. Okay, so all you gotta do is take your jelly stamper and just place it right on top of your image, like so, and then easily slide off the backing, and voila. And you can see it's still a little wrinkly, so what I usually do is I take a brush, I don't know, I got this for like builder gel, but any type of little brush like this will do, and you just dip it into your water and just smooth it out. I don't know if it's necessary to do this, but I don't like having any bumps on it before I apply it. So I like to smooth it out first, just like so. So I don't have any bumpity bumps. There we go. All right, so I'll just have a little bit, but I think it's mostly on the other side. It'll work. Okay, so and now that's done, I'm going to take this and just dry it out a little. Okay, done. Perfect. So okay, it's okay if there's wrinkles. I mean, it'll be smoothed out anyway on the top after, but okay, so that's done. It's ready. What I have to do now is, normally you can put a gel base coat and like I think you can cure it and it'll still have like a tacky layer, or you can use like a they have like a tacky nail base from Maniboss, I think, and some people also use the nail foil glue. I got a request for the Maniboss one because this one doesn't leave a tacky layer since it's a base and top coat. So what we do is take that, just apply it over your nail as usual, but the only thing that's changed, I will tell you in a second, is, hold on, okay, I'm gonna put this on where I want it, make sure it's smooth, it's well done. Okay, now that I've applied it, all I have to do is cure for only 10 seconds. If you cure for only 10 seconds, it's going to stay tacky. Then you'll be able to apply your decal. All right, so as I'm applying my stamper, I'm realizing that I would like to have a white background a lot better so that the image sticks out more. So I'm going to dip into my white dip powder. All right, so I dipped into the white because I changed my mind because I wanted the beige pumpkin to stick out more, and I didn't realize it was a clear base. So I dipped into my white, and now we're going to do it again. So I'm going to use my Maniboss gel 2-in-1 base and top coat to show you how it's done with this one. So the same thing, you apply your base as you usually would, and then you just have to cure it for 10 seconds so you can apply your water decal. Done. All right, we go. We are ready. My nail is ready, and then you just go and apply. Wherever you push down, it will apply right away. So make sure you got it exactly where you want it, and then you just go down. This is exactly where I want it. Go down, and voila, there it is. It's sticking out a bit. I'm just gonna push it down like that, and here we are. And all I need to do now is, I see some parts that need to be smoothed out, and if you go with your fingers or if you go with anything hard, again, it'll do the same thing as before, where you might rip it, because these are very delicate. So I'm going to take my water and I'll just brush it down to the sides. There we go, and that's done. You can see right away as I did that, all of my wrinkles are gone. They are all gone. Now all this extra we can remove with acetone, everything that's around. I'm just gonna push this down because it's not touching. Okay, so I use my other side just to like push it down because you don't want to damage it. There we go. Now there's all this excess. Again, I could just remove that with some acetone, which I will do right now. Actually, I'm going to finish curing it first, because I only cured for 10 seconds, so I'm going to cure for another 20 seconds, and then I'm going to remove this with acetone. Okay, then that's done. Took some acetone, and now it just comes right off at the bottom, and you just brush off. Be careful not to get it on the image, because if you get it on your image, you're gonna ruin your color. I think that's good. I mean, I have nothing else coming out. Everything is done. I mean, I could take out this, but I don't really need to. You can if you want to. Nothing's sticking out. It's completely sealed. I mean, can you see anything? No, it's so perfect. Now all you need to do is apply your top coat. So you can apply a gel top coat, because that's what I have. I'm sure there's smudge free as well that you can apply, but I have the gel top coat. Again, I'm going with the same Maniboss product. You just need one product. That's it. That's what I love about Maniboss 2-in-1. I am obsessed. Can you tell? If I could, I would buy this in bulk. Because I mean, if you just need one product, what's the point? I'm not gonna buy a whole bunch of other ones if this works. It works to stick my decals. It works to dip my colors. There we go. And the shine on this top coat is just gorgeous. All right. I've cured, and now I am all done with the Waterslide decal. It looks beautiful. I have no, oh wow, I have no bumps, no nothing. It's perfect. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them down below. Now I'm gonna finish my mani. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!